Happy Monday, everybody, and welcome back to Let's Have a Sidebar. This is our second week of video content trying to give you more insight into the insurance world, an often kind of under-investigated and under-informed world, right? No, insurance is not something we learn on an everyday basis, so hopefully these videos are giving you quick insight into your insurance policy. Last week, we talked about the whys of insurance, right? Why would you want a home insurance policy? Now, this year, we're going to talk about what is a homeowner's policy, right? So what exactly does the homeowner's policy do? And to understand that, basically, you have to understand that a homeowner's policy is two policies glued together into being one policy. What we do is we have the property piece, which covers your home, any detached structures like a detached garage, shed, fencing, things that are not attached to the home but are still your responsibility, and your stuff. So your couches, your chairs, your furniture, your china cabinets, those type of things. So those are the three pieces of property that it makes sure to cover. The second half of the policy is the liability piece, right? Someone comes to your house and suffers an injury. A tree that you knew was rotting falls and damages your neighbor's yard. Things that happen on your property that you are responsible for come from the liability piece. And there's some other coverages in there too when it comes to liability. Like for instance, if someone gets injured through no fault of your own on your property, there's often this medical payment reimbursement that you can benefit, your guests can benefit from, right? So the two pieces you have to remember when you're thinking about a homeowner's policy are the property piece and the liability piece. And those two things are put together into one policy that you pay for on an annual basis. And it serves you in that function. So that on a very superficial level, without getting into all the policy details, are really the things to remember. Your property, whether it be the dwelling itself, detached structures that are out there and around, and then your stuff. And then on the other side, the liability that comes along with owning the property, right? People trip on your ice and snow that you didn't remove correctly. Let's say they step in a hole that you were digging in and didn't properly cover, right? That type of liability can be covered by a home insurance policy. So hopefully this has given you a little more insight into how your home insurance policy helps or understand what it exactly does. And we'll come back next week with even more information about your homeowner's policy so you have a better understanding of what exactly you're paying for. Have a great rest of your week. We'll be back on Wednesday and Friday with some more stuff for you to consider. And really appreciate you engaging with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can obviously see some more of these videos because we are hosting a lot of them on YouTube. If not, like Sidebar Insurance on Facebook so you can get our videos in your feed. We're also going to be live in LinkedIn, and we're starting to think about getting into Instagram. So you may even see us up there as well. Thanks again. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.